So I headed over to the mall on Saturday because I desperately needed some new gear for this hiking trip I'm planning.
Headed over to means went to a place. It is commonly used in informal spoken English. Gear means equipment or clothes used for a specific activity like hiking or sports. It is usually an uncountable noun in this meaning. You do not say a gear when talking about equipment in general. Instead, you say some gear or a lot of gear. For example, I bought some hiking gear. She packed all her gear for the trip. The plural form gears exists, but it has a different meaning. It refers to mechanical parts in machines. For example, the car has 6 gears. The machine's gears are broken.
Usually I can't stand the mall on weekends, but I bit the bullet and just went.
Can't stand means really dislike something. Bit the bullet means you forced yourself to do something difficult or unpleasant. The idiom bite the bullet comes from old battlefield surgery before modern anesthesia. Soldiers were sometimes given a hard object, often described as a bullet, to bite during painful procedures to help them endure the pain. In the story, we used bit the bullet because the action happened in the past. The verb bite is an irregular verb. Its past form is bit, and the past participle is bitten.
I walked into this outdoor shop and man, the place was a madhouse. People were everywhere.
Man equals emotional emphasis marker, meaning, wow, seriously, honestly. So it does not refer to a male person. It is used to show surprise, add emphasis, or signal emotion. Madhouse means a very chaotic or extremely crowded place.
I spent like 10 minutes digging through the racks, trying to find a decent windbreaker.
Like is a filler word used in spoken English to make speech sound more natural. Digging through means searching through something in a messy or detailed way. Quick grammar note. To dig literally means to move or remove soil, sand, or other material using your hands or a tool like a shovel. Windbreaker is a lightweight jacket that protects against wind or light rain.
I finally grabbed one, but it was a bit out of my price range. I was hesitant, Like, is it really worth the hefty price tag?
Out of my price range means too expensive for you. Is a spoken filler used to involve the listener or soften the sentence. Hefty price tag means a very high price.
One of the sales associates came over. He seemed pretty laid back and asked if I needed a hand.
Sales associate means a shop worker. Laid back means relaxed and calm. Need a hand means need help.
I told him, honestly, I like the jacket, but it's a bit steep.
Steep literally means having a very sharp slope, like a steep hill or steep stairs. When talking about prices, steep means very expensive. The idea is simple. Just as a steep hill is difficult to climb, a steep price is difficult to pay.
He just smiled and said, "We're having a flash sale starting in about an hour."
Flash sale means a short-time discount event.
So I killed some time at the coffee shop nearby and wandered back later.
Killed some time means you did something to wait without getting bored. Wandered back means returned casually or slowly.
Sure enough, the price had dropped. I snatched it up.
Snatched it up means bought something quickly before missing it.
I took it to the fitting room just to be sure. It fit like a glove and headed to the counter.
Fitting room means a place where you try on clothes. Fit like a glove means it fit perfectly. Quick grammar note. Fit is an irregular verb in American English. The past form is fit, not fitted.
The cashier was super efficient. She asked if I wanted the tags removed, and I told her to keep them on, just in case.
Super efficient means very fast and well organized.
It felt like a total win. I managed to get a really good jacket without breaking the bank.
Breaking the bank means spending too much money or becoming financially stressed. And that's it for today's story. If you followed along, you've just learned a bunch of useful, everyday expressions that native speakers actually use. Quick challenge before you leave. I bought it quickly before someone else could get it. Can you complete the phrasal verb? I it up. Put your answers in the comments. I'll see you in the next story.